Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable auto execution for terminal commands in Google Antigravity. So let's go and do that. Now what we need to do, head over to the file, find the preferences, so right here, then go to the anti-gravity settings and select here on the left agent, like that. Now, what we need to do next is locate the terminal command auto execution. So right here, you will see it. You can choose between three main modes. So we have auto. The agent decides which safe command to run automatically, but it will still ask for permission before potentially destructive action. Then we have turbo. So this one is execute nearly all commands without prompting you, and off, every terminal command requires manual approve. So if this still doesn't work, then we need to do something else. So some users report that global settings may not apply unless also enabled in the quick settings panel. So we need to click on our profile icon in the top right corner and ensure always proceed is selected there as well. Okay, so if we go here to our icon right over here, then quick setting panel right here, and you will see auto execution needs to be on always proceed. Always proceed. So again, I need to go back. Always proceed and review policy. We can also do that. Always proceed. So this is basically that. And yeah, you can. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.